Hi, and thanks for coming to watch. It's a potato recipe, guys. It's a very rich recipe for you and for your kids, especially when they don't like eating vegetables. So this is one of the ways you can make it, and it will be attractive to them. They will not resist it. So I hope you find this video useful. Okay, thank you, and keep watching. Please use the seasonings of your choice. I am using what I love using. Okay,
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
at this point I will tell you the food is ready. Just try it and you like it. Don't you forget to subscribe, like, share our videos. Let us know what you think about this recipe. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.